Today I'm going to be showing you this 1973 Camaro. I'm going to give you a quick overview, show you some of the details, and show you a quick test drive. Okay, let's go ahead and start it up. Okay, now let's take a look under the hood. Here you'll see we have the original 350 with numbers matching with a 2-barrel. Okay, now let's go ahead and take it for a test drive. This car is equipped with the 3-speed automatic, which makes it very easy to drive, just like a modern day car. Just get in it and go. Accelerates very smoothly, lots of power. Now this car doesn't have power brakes, but it does have front disc brakes and rear drum brakes. They work very well. See if we'll open it up a little bit so you can hear it. Gets up there pretty quick. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look at the interior. It does have a back seat, small back seat, but 2 seats. A little bit of legroom, not too bad. Does have a new Pioneer 200-watt CD player with 4 speakers. This car has originally 32,370 miles on it since 1973 when it was new. And besides the paint, this car is all original. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look around the car. And the fuel cap is behind the license plate back here. Okay, the trunk is all original. The original mat inside. Original spare tire and jack and tools. Also has the original jack instructions on how to jack it up and how to take everything out of the car. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.